Ready to shop for home decor and so much more? Then join me as I check out the selection at Kirkland's. Stay tuned. Hey, good people. Welcome to Mommy Room Redo. We are at Kirklands checking out their fall selection. Let's get started. Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. Kirkland's is one of my favorite stores. It features home decor, furniture, lighting, and holiday items. You can shop in one of its 434 stores located in 37 states or buy online. Kirkland describes its offerings as being uniquely distinctive, and that's exactly why I shop in the store. When I go to Kirkland's, I'm not looking for a special bargain necessarily. I'm looking for that unique piece that's going to catch someone's eye. Take these pumpkins, for example. These beauties greet you at the door when you enter Kirkland's. They are sturdy, they're beautiful, they're initialed, and they'll definitely make a statement sitting in your yard for fall. If you'd like to decorate specifically for Halloween, then check out their decorations. They have some very stylish Halloween wear, including signs and posters and paintings, all of the things you would not expect for Halloween decorations, but they are so unique that they would really stand out. Here we see another version of the pumpkins with the initials on them. Very, very cute. Also, notice the sign that says pumpkin patch. It would make a great wall hanging for the fall season. Also notice those lanterns that sit above the pumpkin patch sign. They will put you in the mood for a warm and cozy autumn day. Throughout the store, you'll find a number of fall wreaths. They come in all different styles and sizes, and I'm sure you will find one that will match your decor. Seasonal decorations are a small part of what the store offers. These beauties over here are called poofs, and they surround the store as well. I love them, but they can be very pricey at Kirkland's. They range from $44 all the way up to well over $300. I actually have these mirrors in my home. The previous owner used these as bathroom mirrors, and I gotta tell you, I get quite a few compliments on them as they are unique and people don't expect to see them in a bathroom. Just as this sign says, you will feel at home when you enter Kirklands. Not only does it look good and welcoming, but it smells fabulous. While there were so many things around that I could have purchased, I settled on some fragrance satchels, and I'm very happy with my purchase. I put those sweet smelling items in my car, in my bedroom, and I'm looking forward to making my home smell like pumpkin and spice and everything that's nice about fall. If you're thinking about visiting Kirklands for your shopping this season, there are a few things I think you should consider. First, join the rewards program. If you sign up for Kirkland's rewards program, you'll get coupons sent directly to your email. Next, wait for seasonal discounts to shop for holiday items. If you'll notice in this video, most seasonal items were marked 25% off, and you can take advantage of that deal as well. The third thing you want to do is compare prices. Kirkland's can be a little expensive, so depending on what it is, you may find an alternative at another retailer. Also, you may save time and money when you shop online, as there are discounts and offerings that aren't in the brick and mortar stores. Finally, relax. Kirkland's is not a place where you need to rush. Take your time and look at all the product offerings. Enjoy the view and inhale the wonderful fragrances that they will showcase each season.
Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.